We're in the final phase of the bull market, so it is really important to lock in now, to make the right moves now, to be prepared, because the next weeks will decide over your financial future. So in today's video, I will tell you all about what is happening in the coming weeks so we can prepare together and make some big gains together. So let's not lose time and start right into it. We've seen a weak August, the starting of September was really slow, but we will definitely see an explosive October, and yeah, there could also be a life-changing November. But only if you're prepared, because it might not as clear as you think. So what will be the trigger for the October rally? Yes, it will be for sure the Fed rate cut, because we will see on September the 17th the first rate cut in this year in the United States. It might only be 25 BPS with a chance of nearly 80%, or it could even be 50 BPS or more with a chance of more than 17%. This chance is increasing. This is also what Standard Chartered told us. Because of the weak jobs data, we could see rate cuts by 50 BPS or more next week. So be prepared, guys, it might be crazy volatile. So what would be the best case scenario now? If we don't see a crazy rally before the rate cut, because if we see a crazy rate cut before the rally, it might be that the rate cut itself is a sell the news event. 25 BPS might be a sell the news event, but the 50 BPS rate cut, I think nobody has priced in yet. This is also what JP Morgan is warning us about, that the rate cut could trigger a pullback because of weak jobs, tariffs, inflation, and seasonal September weakness. That means, yes, September would be slow, but after that, we could see a full send October. Then, and I think this is the most probable scenario, that the October will be really explosive, and November might be life-changing, might be the best month for you and your portfolio, so then you know when to take profit. But is a rate cut really all it takes to push crypto up again? And what could send us up again after the longs are wiped out? Market makers on the one hand, but there is a lot of catalysts out there that could push us so much higher. For example, the Clarity Act should be passed by Senate by 30th of September, because the Financial Services Committee is pushing the Senate really hard. They're saying if the United States want to remain the leader in digital assets, the Senate needs to pass the Clarity Act really fast. And this is only one catalyst. The next catalyst is that the SEC is holding a public crypto roundtable on October the 17th, and you never know what they're releasing to the public. The third catalyst is real world assets. The Nasdaq applied to bring stocks on chain. The Nasdaq, I mean, can you imagine how big this is? And yet somehow people out there still believe crypto is a scam with no real use cases. They have not understood a single thing. Everything will be tokenized. And as you know, there will be some big winners, for example, Ondo Finance. And no, it is not a surprise that Ondo announced their partnership with WisdomTree on the same day as the Nasdaq files with the SEC to allow engagement with tokenized equities. And last but not least, the Congress just dropped a bill for a US strategic Bitcoin reserve. All of this will lead to one thing, a crazy end of the year rally, a crazy blow off top as well, yeah? And I don't know, and nobody knows how long this cycle will last. But we have to be prepared for every scenario. So if it is a life-changing October already, take some profits here. If we're going further, take some profits here. And if you are already filthy rich, then take the rest of your profits in December, and let's see what is happening afterwards. Because most of the people won't take profits if we're going into a crazy altcoin season, if we're going into the crazy bull market season. Most of the people will get completely nuts and won't take profits. But if you want to earn money, if you want to independent, you need to take profits. And yes, there will be some projects that will benefit big time, for example Bitcoin or Hype or some DeFi projects like Ener or Pendle, because gold is already pushed to new all-time highs and Bitcoin will follow. And as you know, Bitcoin carries the whole crypto space. So yes, Bitcoin and the whole crypto space will benefit. If we're looking at the gold performance or if we're looking at the M2 global liquidity, Bitcoin will follow. It is just lagging a little behind, but Bitcoin will for sure follow. Global M2 liquidity made a new all-time high. Gold made a new all-time high. US 500 made a new all-time high, and Bitcoin will for sure follow. This is certain. And yes, you can say now that gold already made a new all-time high, but is it really gold that is increasing in value, or is it just paper money that is falling in value? What we're seeing, in my opinion, is by turning on the money printer again in the United States and overall in the world, fiat money is decreasing in worth. And if you're just taking your profits and putting them on your bank account, it might be even a bigger risk over the next years if you're just having your money sitting around in dollars or euros, if you're not doing anything with it. Yes, you should take your profits, this is for sure, but work with your money. Let your money work for you. This is exactly what I'm doing. My portfolio is always 50 to 60% in stable coins that are working for me. With those stable coins, I'm earning yield every day, every single day, 356 days a year. It doesn't matter if you're in a bull market or bear market, if prices are inclining or declining. With my stable coins, I can earn money 356 days a year, and you can too. And this doesn't need luck at all. You just have to put in the work. Do that investment, farm that airdrop, put up that strategy. Yes, you can boost your odds. Investing has nothing to do with luck, and I'm always happy to help. If you have any questions, if you need any help with investing, with putting up your first passive crypto strategy with stablecoins, I'm always happy to help. Just let me know down in the comments, because in 2025, nobody out there has to lose money with crypto again. We can all earn money with crypto in 2025. It was never easier to earn money with crypto. So make sure to log in now, to use those chances. After this cycle, if we're staying in the 4-year cycles model, it would mean 3 years again of bear market, of downtimes. So use the following weeks so that you don't miss out on generational wealth again. And I can help you achieve that. All you gotta do is follow this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So be prepared for every scenario. September, October, November will be the craziest months of your life. So guys, now you know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.